Good morning. If I look crusty and I sound like this, it's because I just woke up. It's 6:52 in the morning. I am about to take a shower and get ready for the day. Let's go. Good morning. It's Monday, 7:19. If you hear this, it's me watching my video I'm about to upload. I was trying to upload like every 2 days or something, and I realized that's just not for me. So I'm gonna try and upload once a week now. Yeah, let's see how that works out. Alright, so let me make my bed and then take Leona downstairs and get this day started. I've got my coffee and my water. They say you should drink cold water within 30 minutes of waking up, and it's definitely been more than 30 minutes, but so good. Alright, let's go get started. Jump into our day. Alright, so we are in our office, and about to jump in. This week will be a little bit different because for my employer, I work for a place that has multiple locations that I am somewhat responsible for. And now that the pandemic is slowly but surely lessening, we are responsible for going to visit them. So today is Monday, and tomorrow I will actually go out and visit one of those locations. Based on where it is and how close it is to other things I need to do, I'm also going to drop off my dry cleaning and probably get some coffee. Now listen, I'm going to go to Starbucks because I have money on my Starbucks card, and it only makes sense to me to use that money in my free items and then be done with them. But I am not anti people or people specific races. I am just about supporting Black businesses, and there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that at all. I do think it should be a lifestyle that I adopt, and I'm definitely trying. Of course, that's not going to always be the case, but I'm definitely going to try my best to replace some of the things that I currently use. For instance, I was a huge Bath and Body Works fan of body sprays and wall plugins and candles and hand soap and some more stuff. And at least the candle portion I've been able to replace with a company named Ambition of a Virgo. And I know this is backwards, but Ambition of a Virgo. And this is Black Love. And let me just tell you, it smells heavenly. Oh my gosh, smells so good. I'm pretty sure she just went on maternity leave and is now coming back, I think, in July. So super excited about that. But I'm looking for Black owned companies to replace some of the things that I've been using. So if you have any or know of any or come across any, feel free to drop them in the comment section below or hit me up on Instagram at LadyKayTV. And let's do this. I definitely started doing that within my hair care. I only use Talia Wajid and Jamaican black castor oil. And water, of course. But as far as shampoo and conditioner, I either go to a salon and just let them do whatever they're going to do, or I use Kaleidoscope products. And that's for right now. I tend to get a system and then try to use it. One, so my hair can kind of have some consistency, and so I can kind of gauge what it likes and what it doesn't like. I've mentioned before, I've been natural for about 8 years now. And when I had my hair out and I had my fro, I would try a system, see if my hair liked it. If it didn't, switch. And I'm kind of learning how to like love my hair with locks. Not love it, but love it in the sense of taking care of it with specific products. So yeah, I'm trying things out, and that's currently where I am. But yeah. All right, I'm going to jump into work. Good morning. It is Tuesday, June 23rd, and I am working. It's 8:51 in the morning. I have a report that's usually due a little after 9, and so I'm doing that. I am hitting the road today, and I'm going on a visit to a location. Okay. I did buy the things that I need for my hair, but then I was talking to my best friend, and she suggested that I get my hair dyed by a professional as opposed to doing it myself the first time. I think this is a good idea, but I am kind of concerned about the cost of dyeing some of my locks as opposed to me doing it myself. I guess my biggest concern is they want me to lighten my hair, let it dry, and then add the color and then wash it again. So I'm not really sure how I feel about that. I've been doing my research based off of YouTube videos, and I went into Sally's yesterday and I bought everything that's needed. You know what? Let me do a little haul. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little haul of all the stuff that I got from Sally so you can see the craziness that I was about to do. So I walk in Sally's and I tell the girl that I want to dye my locks, but I've been told that I need to lighten them. And so I told her I've never done this before and that I need help. And so she literally takes me around and picks up her things for me. So I got, I know it's backwards, from Sally. I got the little bowl. I got Clairol Professional Cream Developer, and this is 20 standard lift, and it's 16 ounces. I got 2 packets of these. This is Clairol Professional Clay Paste Lightener. So I got this one and this one. I got Color Charm. This is in burgundy, and this is the Wella brand. And I told her that I was looking for like a burgundy purplish, and so she told me to get this Let's Color L'Oreal Technique Violet color and put 2 drops in there to get the color I want. And then she told me to do a test strip, which I plan to do. She then told me that I needed this tint brush to like brush it on, foil for the lightener, and that's all I got for the hair dye. Why do people keep telling me I need to bleach my hair? I understand it's black and it's dark, but I literally just then went on YouTube and found a video of a girl who had black hair and went to red hair. And she did it by just putting the color with the developer and letting it sit for like 45 minutes to an hour. Now, I don't know if that's too long. I'm going to definitely look at the instructions for the length of time that the stuff should be there. But Leona, hey, come back. But I'm going to do the whole testing thing and see if I can rinse it out to see if the color has taken instead of lightening my hair. I would have been so upset if I had lightened my hair and it damaged it. Listen, never lighten my hair, but I know and I understand that when you have coarse hair and it's naturally dry, and then when you dye it, it's even drier. But why would you tell me to put bleach in my hair if I didn't need it? Hating on my lock journey. Hater. It's the end of the day, and I need to take this shirt off. Much better. I'm outside letting my dog out. This is what my night sky looks like. And let's wait for Leona to be crazy. Please don't touch my grass. It's getting cut this weekend. And Leona. We're going inside apparently. She calls the shots. Someone has been licking their paw, so they've been placed in timeout here in my room. And if you know her, you know she likes to watch TV or look outside the window while I work. Oh, how are we gonna do this? Good, how are you? This is her mixing the colors. We're gonna go lighter than I anticipated, but let's go. Starting. Oh, I'm looking at it. Yes, do it, yes. I can already see them turning. Washed and getting steamed. Can't wait to see it. And she just saved me from having to wash it at home. This is probably the first time I've ever walked out of a salon and my hair wasn't actually laid or frowed or puffed. But let's see when we get in the car if we can see the color. I can't see it too well, but I don't know if this is my... Yeah, I can see it. Yes, hair is... Is it purple? We'll call it whatever. Alright. I probably didn't see it, but there was a bunch of bikers. I'm gonna go to Subway to get food. Switch up my mask. The other one was not playing games. Pulling my ears and stuff. That's what happens. This mask was made after that one, so it's better. We're at Subway.